First, let us see some of the new words and their meaning. The first one is to dry up. To dry up means to wipe, pochna. Second one, scared. Scared means frightened, darna. Third is to ease. To ease means to make less, kam karna. To give up means to stop trying, to accept failure. Give up means अपने हार को स्वीकार कर लेना. Next, to cope means to deal with, किसी का सामना करना. Then, to deal with means बाहर निकलना, किसी प्रॉब्लम में से बाहर निकलना. Then next is lost. Here lost means confused, totally confused होना. Next, light. Light here is solution. Then is beacon. It means guiding or guiding light. किसी को सही रास्ता दिखाना, सपोर्ट करना. Oath. Oath means simply promise. Then pledge. Pledge means again promise करना. Last. To the end means till the very last, till death. जब तक कि डेथ नहीं हो जाती तब तक सपोर्ट करना. Now let's start the poem. Now here there are two parts in activity 9. We will see the first part, A. The instruction is, now read and enjoy the following poem. In this poem, a young girl has expressed her feeling for a friend in a direct and touching way. The poem is about the importance and responsibility of being a friend. Here, the poem is about the friendship. So, shall we start the poem? Okay, see the first paragraph. When you are sad, I will dry up your tears. When you are scared, I will ease your fears. In this poem, two girls are talking and they are taking care of each other. One friend is saying to another, or we can say one friend is giving the sympathy to the other that when you will sad, I will always be there to make you happy by drying up your tears. एक फ्रेंड दूसरी फ्रेंड से कहती है कि जब तुम उदास हो जाओगी तब मैं तुम्हारे हमेशा साथ में रहूंगी, दुख में हो या सुख में मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे आंसू पोंछने के लिए तैयार रहूंगी, मैं हमेशा तुम्हें उमंग उत्साह दिलाऊंगी. When you are scared, I will ease your friend, and whenever you will become scared, I will support you in that situation. And sometimes it's happened that your friend scared by something. We can say by insect or other things. In that situation, or we can say in that circumstance, we must try to remove these fears from his or her life. जब कभी आप क्या हो जाओगी, जब कभी आप घबरा जाओगी या फिर डर जाओगी तो उस समय ऐसे सिचुएशन में मैं आपको आपका फियर एकदम कम कर दूंगी, आपका हमेशा सपोर्ट करूंगी. दिस द गर्ल इज सेइंग टू द अदर. द नेक्स्ट वन, सी द नेक्स्ट लाइन. व्हेन यू आर वरीड, आई विल गिव यू होप. इफ यू वांट टू गिव अप, आई विल हेल्प यू कोप. In this, the girl is saying that when it is time to worried or it is the time of worried and you won't be able to find out the way, so as a good friend, I will give you hope. That is, I will try to find out the way for the problem that make you ease. Here the girl is saying that आप जब कभी भी चिंता करोगी या जब कभी भी आप उदास हो जाओगी, वरीड होगी, उस समय मैं आपको एक उम्मीद की किरण दिखाऊंगी, एक आशा दिखाऊंगी. और जब कभी आप हार मान लोगी उस टाइम मैं आपको उस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकालने का प्रयत्न करूंगी. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. When you are lost and can't see the light, I will be your beacon, shining so bright. This is my oath that I press to the end. Why, you may ask? because you are my friend. In the first two lines, the girl is saying to her friend that even if you are not ready to do something in a proper manner, then don't worry. I will be helping in order to cope up in that situation. I will help you out in the darkness and brings you the shines. The friend is saying that कि जब कभी आप लॉस्ट हो जाओगी उस समय मैं आपको सही रास्ता दिखाऊंगी. Isn't it? लॉस्ट होना मीन्स गुम हो जाना. जब कभी आप अपने रास्ते पर से भटक जाओगी उस टाइम मैं आपको सही रास्ता दिखाऊंगी एंड मैं आपका हमेशा एक सपोर्ट बन के एक गाइड बन के रहूंगी और आपको हमेशा ऊंचाई की ओर ले जाऊंगी. दिस इज माई ओथ दैट आई प्लेस टू द एंड. इट्स माई प्रॉमिस. व्हाट द When you will be in rough time means when you will be confused about some matter. I will take you in the right path without any difficulty in your life. I will always be there in order to guide you. At the last, this is my promise that I will be with you till the end of the life. वो गर्ल अपने फ्रेंड से कहती है कोई भी रफ टाइम में मैं हमेशा आपका साथ दूंगी और लाइफ में जब तक हमारी फ्रेंडशिप रहेगी तब तक ये फ्रेंडशिप हम निभाएंगे. वाई यू मे आस्क. शायद आप पूछ सकते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों. द रीज़न इज जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर माई फ्रेंड, यू आर माई गुड फ्रेंड. सो आई एम ऑलवेज बी देयर टू सपोर्ट यू एंड हेल्प यू आउट in your life whenever you are going to face the difficulty. So this is the poem written by an American television personality, fashion designer, author and actress whose name is Nicole Richie. Okay, I hope you understood this poem about the friendship. Now, remaining activity I am going to provide you in your homework. So till then, write all the new words with the meaning in your notebook. We will meet you again in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay home.